Repeat everything you hear.
What's this?
That's a book.
What's that?
This is a book.
Is it hot?
It isn't hot.
Is it cold?
It isn't cold.
Is it new?
Yes, it's new.
Is it old?
Yes, it's old.
The book is red.
The books are red.
Is this a pencil?
Yes, it's a pencil.
Is this a chair?
Yes, it's a chair.
Are 2 and 3 5?
Yes, 2 and 3 are 5.
Is it an orange?
Yes, it is.
Is it an apple?
No, it isn't.
Are they teachers?